tools are getting expensive, like really expensive. So I need to know that my gear is secure. Well, the Deezee Red Label Low Pro chest is designed to keep my gear safe and easily accessible. This box is made from rust-proof .056 bright tread aluminum, so it can handle a lot of abuse. The internal bends in the durable V-Pan lid stiffener give it extra strength, ensuring it can stand up to daily use. The lockable black paddle handle latches ensure that my gear is secure whether I'm on the trail or the job site. The dampened gas shocks support the lid, ensuring that I can have easy access to my tools whenever I need them. And the full-length hidden hinge supports the lid for easy operation. The crown lid and closed cell foam gasket help keep the elements out, protecting my tools from rain, dust, snow, or whatever Mother Nature might throw at me. The textured black powder coat not only looks great, but it also adds an extra layer of protection against scratches and corrosion. The body is bent from a single piece of aluminum to make it both strong and easy to move. It's designed to add lockable storage wherever I need it. And the sizing is perfect for truck beds, platform racks, even my garage. And it's made in the US, so I know it's a quality product.